Hi everyone, so here we have the old microwave and we're going to deassemble it. So what my dad's doing now is he's just taking the screws out so we can remove the cover. There's one there. And after this one you can just tip it the right way round and then it will just come off easily. Right, so turn it the other and it might come off. There we go. Okay, so this is what's inside it. Looks a bit of a state really. So here we go, this is what's inside of it. So what I want from this is the lamp, the inside. I'm going to see if we can get this dinger off and probably the fan hopefully. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try to get the lamp off. So does it come with screws? There we go. Well, that's easy enough. So that's the lamp off. So we're going to try and get all these out as well. I think you can just pull them off, I think. I think what you have to do is, does it come with any, do you have to put a screw?
If I would just unplug.
Shall I show you again or?
No.
Alright, so we're struggling to get the thing off there. It might work.
These are soldered.
What does that mean?
I don't really unplug.
I remember I found a microwave outside someone's house and it was like this, right? And it was like this, and what I did was I stood far back and just yanked it off.
Okay.
There we go. So this is the bulb. Looks a bit small, so that's that. Next thing is we're going to try and get this off, this actual control panel. Not the actual thing, but just this right thing. So I think you can get screws off it, can't you? Be careful. Shall I show you again?
It's okay.
Alright. So this all comes in one single piece.
Okay.
Just put that over there. There we go. Now this has been unplugged for quite a while, so hopefully there will be no electrocution.
Well, hopefully.
Fingers crossed. Right. There's the bottom side of it as well. Oh, here we go. Getting somewhere. So screw down there.
Okay.
Is that off?
It's going to come off.
Right then. I think you have to be careful, wary of the bell as well. If that will come off, I don't know. Doesn't want to budge, does it? Is there any other screws down there? Oh, there's one there, look.
This one. Try this one.
Alright. That might do it. You're very charming. Oh, it's a fucking nightmare, isn't it?
Hmm.
It's getting there, isn't it?
I can't see what it's going by.
Is it because the bell's in the way? Or...
I'm not sure.
Oh, here we go.
It's this thing here.
What? The bell?
Here we go.
Do you have to tilt it?
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold
There you
it.
go.
There we go.
Right, so this is this bit off. So basically we've got the dials here, we've got the bell on this side. This is what it sounds like. It's a nice sound. Right, so that's that off, and then should we get the door off? The window? That's the left side of it. We've got the air vent. It's not that important. It won't come off now, will it? Because we remove that. Might. Here we go. So that's with it open. Can you just yank it off?
I've got screws here.
Oh, right. All those bits on the floor.
It's going to have to...
Right, that's the door, the window. Keep all that for memories. Right. What else is there? Don't think you can get that thing off, can you?
Not sure.
Be careful. What about the fan? Fan come off?
Just want to see what screws we got here.
Bloody wires. It looks like it's going to plan, but there's all these wires in the way. So that's how we get the wires out. Looks alright, doesn't it? Where I'm going to put all these. I have to make space in one of my drawers. Been a good microwave though, isn't it? I mean, I've had it for, you know, because people at the jewellery shop, they had it before me, and then I picked it up because they weren't using it anymore, and I've had it for the last 2 years. Well, it'll be 3 years in March. It'd be nice if it will last up till then. But if not, I wouldn't have had this. Would have had to wait till my birthday. Nice bit of kit. No signs of any rust on the bell, so that's good. There's a cover there. Or cool, you're good at doing this, aren't you? Yeah. been recording now. Been rolling for about 10 minutes. Yank it off, yeah. Oh. Right, so that's the fan. I don't know what that bit is, but yeah, that's the fan. Yeah. Right, and I think that's the magnetron there. Well, should we just leave it like that, or should we take that off?
I don't think it's up to you.
Well, try your best. See if we can get that off. If not, we'll leave it. Got a big thing in it.
Cheers.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, that was easy. Just trying to get that big thing off. Right, and here we go. This is the main bit of kit. This is the magnetron. So, do you know what that thing is?
High voltage. It's disconnect from the mains power source. It's a capacitor.
Should we get that off, or what should we do?
Try.
And I think that'll be the last bit of kit that we try to get off. I mean, nothing more important about any of the others. Right, so far we've got we've got the light bulb, we've got the fan, got the magnetron, got the display, the dials, the bell, the door handle, and the window or the door. We're just trying to get this thing off now. See if it'll go in or not. Doesn't matter if we can't get it off. Oh, here we go. And again, it's got all these wires.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Yeah, it is. What's that then? Is that the battery?
I don't know what this is here. That's the capacitor.
Bloody hell, that's heavy. So that's the capacitor.
Big magnet in there.
Looks a bit manky, but that's that. See if we can get that thing up there. And there we go. This is the last bit of kit. What's this? I think it's the voltage, I think. So this is the remainder. So this is the, that's the inside there. That's where the light was, the waveguide, that's in the drawer somewhere. And this vent here, it leads to there. And this is the main, this is where all the electrics was. So that's about it really. So I hope you like this video. I don't know what the hell that is on there, on the top bit. And this is the back of it. This is the wire here. That's the wire. There's the plug. So yeah, that's everything on it. So this is what we've got. We've got the plug, we've got light bulb, the whatever that is. This, no, the magnetron. The what's this called again? Capacitor. The bell here, all of this. So yeah, we're pretty much done. And there's a big crowd of screws there. Don't really want them. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks Dad for the help. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.